Airlangga Offline Summer School is a short course program held by Faculty of Law Universitas Airlangga. Annually held since 2021, this program is conducted over 1 week and offers unique courses, seminars, workshops, and activities designed specifically for the participants to enhance their capabilities both in academic and non-academic. Participants are able to follow courses on legal pluralism in Indonesia or follow other teams according to their interests. In addition to the offered academic courses, participants are able to learn about the cultural diversity in Indonesia. Each year, Airlangga Offline Summer School carries different themes, with its first iteration being Law and Diversity in Asia, 2022 being Law, Multiculturalism and Rights, and its latest iteration, Legal Transnationalism and Contemporary Legal Issues in Asia. This year, Airlangga Offline Summer School raises a theme on legal pluralism and contemporary legal issues in Asia. Diversity in Airlangga Offline Summer School does not only take place in the themes and materials that will be presented, but also the participants and instructors that hail from multiple parts of the world.
This is a very good program. It's a brilliant idea to gather legal-minded students or legal students, law students to be here together to discuss important topics, area that become issues nowadays in this region.
I really enjoy all the conversations and interactions with the students. They're very active.
I think the benefit of having a discussion like this is that we are able to bring in the theory and practice all in a classroom setting where students are able to learn from experiences of practitioners of the different fields of law.
We have learned so much in these summer schools and we have learned so much. We are so glad to be here.
I must say this summer school has been a profound experience for me. To see things that I've never seen before, to see such diversity in the legal system, but also in the people I've met, and to have these important discussions with them.
At the end of this program, participants have the opportunity to experience cultural trip by visiting national tourist destinations. So, don't hesitate to join Airlangga Offline Summer School.
Thank you,